Hi, my name is Dan, and I'm selling a very nice 23-foot Wellcraft cruiser. The boat is in excellent condition and comes with a tandem axle trailer that's in great condition as well. It also has a nice cockpit cover, boarding ladder, and stainless cleat. The boat has amazing seating for this size boat, and the back of the main seat can flip down into a full lounger. It also has a big window to the aft cabin, and for a 23-foot boat, it has a really nice open cockpit layout. The helm area is very nice with a big helm seat. Down in the cabin, it's very nice looking. There's a very nice cushion area that can be used for multiple purposes, and the middle section can easily be turned into a table. In the cabin, there is a galley, sink, stovetop, and nice refrigerator. There is a 110-volt power panel and stereo controls. The mid cabin is very nice and open. There is also a very nice bathroom for this size boat with a vacuum flush head. If you've never seen this kind of bathroom, it's great. It's what they usually put on bigger boats, and it's great if you have a family. This is a very nice, simple setup for a 23-foot boat with lots of room. When we bought this boat, it was 10 years old and in almost new condition with very low hours on the motor. We have done everything to maintain the boat in the best possible condition. If you're looking for a great value and an excellent running boat, I don't think you can beat this setup.